Hey guys, I just got a new microphone, so sorry if the quality is like absolute dog shit or it's actually pretty good. I'm not sure if it's gonna be like loud or whatever. It's actually just an Xbox microphone that I used, and now I use it for my computer and like recording. I'm sorry for being inactive for a while as well. But today I'm gonna show you how to make your custom Supreme box logo like sticker pretty much. So this is completely editable. You're going to need Photoshop CS6. So the first step is open up your browser, which could be any. I use Opera, but you can use like Safari, Google Chrome, or whatever. Search up Supreme and get a good high quality image of the Supreme box logo. So after that, go up into File right next to Photoshop. There's File. Click Open. You're then going to Okay, I have two of them, but this is the one I'm going to be using for the tutorial. This is the standard one that you're probably going to use. So, click enter. Then you want to go down to this little magnifying glass over here right next to the hand, your color selections. And then right click it, click fit on screen. And it will make it fit pretty well. So, after that, what you're going to want to do is just very simply go into you have the brush and everything. Now you just use the pencil tool, and then you're gonna need to go to the little eyedropper and select the red outer layer. So every red is different, but I don't mind, it's all the same, but it will still work. And then okay, after it's selected, move the quality up, and then just start coloring over it. Try not to color out of it, but just color inside. Oh, never mind, it's not an issue on this one, so you can just color recklessly. And then after that, oh, what the hell happened? Okay, after that, you grab your little toolbar over here, and then you're going to select the little text feature. And then you're going to go up to and you're going to search up, it's going to be maybe American typewriter or whatever. Search up FU Futura, which is the Supreme font. It's very similar. And it doesn't really matter, you're going to want it a decent size, but I can't say in the exact size. It honestly depends. And then go, and then type in whatever you want. So for this, we'll type in, never mind, it's in the red font. Make sure you select it to the white font or whatever color you want, and then type in your text. We're going to quickly move this over here. So we're not done. We're going to try to move it pretty much into the center. It says this is the center. It doesn't really look like the center, bro. Try to move it into the center. So, I don't know. Okay, that's more like the center. Okay, so that's the closest you're going to be able to get. Maybe put it in bold or something, because the Supreme text is bold. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Even if you don't have Photoshop CS6, you can probably use this in many other editors like Pixlr, or a free online one, or many others, but I'm not 100% sure of that, so don't quote me. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and this is raw footage. I don't really feel like editing, so hope you guys have a nice day, and bye.